So standard 10, let's continue with program number 9. So before starting the program number 9, first understand the question first. What it is saying? Write a program to input a statement. So we'll input a statement and create a new statement by replacing each consonant with the previous letter. So if it is a consonant, like if it is C is a consonant, so it will be replaced with B. If the previous letter is a vowel, if it is a vowel like P, so if we will take P, so previous letter of P is O, so it is a vowel, then it will not write O. Instead of that, after P the letter it will write like Q. So instead of minus it is going to become plus. If first of all it will do minus and check whether it is a vowel or not. If it is a vowel, then it will change to +1, not -1. Other character must remain same. And if it is a vowels, then it will remain as it is. Like A. Here A is there, so it remains A. So display the new statement. So like this, the statement input is there, the output will display in this manner. So let's continue. So here this all place you know again and again. I am not going to repeat the same thing. So enter a sentence in uppercase. So the sentence is entered in uppercase. Then string str in dot read line. So str equal to, we have taken new ball as the string. Next, after this we will include two statements. One is str equal to str dot trim method. Second one, str equal to str dot to uppercase, because though we are saying uppercase, but maybe if the user uses the small letter, till then it will get converted to uppercase, and if this writes in uppercase, then no problem, it will be as it is. Then next statement, int p equal to str dot length method. So length method, length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So my length is 8. Next, string word, we have taken a variable word and this space. Then character ch we have taken. Then here continuing with the loop. So this is the for loop. Next, this is the vowel. If it is a vowel, it will display as it is. Then it will check whether it is not a vowel, and if it is not a vowel, then it will go with this part and it will check for the previous letter. It will convert and check whether that previous letter is vowel. If the previous letter is vowel, then it will not take the previous letter, it will take after the particular letter, and then it will write it. So these are the particular loop. So let's continue. So for loop here, so I is equal to 0. I equal to 0. So 0 is less than 8. 0 is less than 8. So here we'll take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are taking 7 letters. So 7, it is characters are there. So in the 0 place, so we'll take ch is equal to, so here written str dot character at I. So in the character of I there is n. Then next is, we are checking whether it is a vowel or not. No, it is not a vowel. so it is not going to enter in this part, so word it is not going to include. It will check this part, A E I O U. Yes, it is not a E I O U, so the condition is valid, so it will come to this part. So after coming to this part, what is it going to do? CHR. So it will write CHR is equal to, it is converting, so CH is N, so N minus 1. So N minus 1 means the previous letter it will go, whatever the ASCII value of the N it will be minus 1, so previous letter, so it will be M. So M is not a vowel, not A E I O U, it is not a vowel, so it is not going to enter inside this if loop. Instead of that, it will come to the word. So we will take the variable word. In the word it is written word plus character, so it will write word is a space, then M, my character CHR, you say CHR, so it is M. Then again it is checking if it is a space. No, it is not a space, it is N, so it will not come to this part. Again it is going to move to this. Now I is 1. I is 1. So in 1 what is there? E is there. So character at I. So now it is E. So E is a vowel. So what it will do? Word plus CH. So word already it is M. So with it CH we are going to add E. Over. So here it is not a vowel. E is a vowel. So this condition is false. So it is not going to enter inside any of this loop. It is checking whether it is a space. No, it is not a space. So it will come back to I. So now I is 2. So 2. So in the 2 place there is W. So CH is, now in the CH it will store W. CH, the value will be W, the character place of 2. At 2 it is, W is there, so CH is W. So it will check whether it is a vowel. No, it is not a vowel. So it is not going to add here. Then it will go for checking whether it is not A, B, A, E, I, O, U. Yes, it is not A, E, I, O, U. So it is not a vowel. So this condition is true. So it will come to this part. So here what is doing? CH minus 1. So minus 1 means W. V minus 1 V. Then W comes. So minus 1. So one letter before it will come. Previous letter. V. Now it is checking whether V is a vowel. No, V is not a vowel. So since it is not a vowel, it is not going to come enter here. So what it will do? It will come to this part. So here it will, with the word was already ME, with that W is added. It is not a space, it is V, it is not a space, W, it is not a space, so it will come to this part again. So now I changes to 3. So 3 is a space, so it is not a vowel, so it will not enter here. Character at I, so I is 3, so 3 is space, so it is not a vowel, so it will not enter here. It is neither consonant, it is not it is a space, so it will not enter to this part, it will come to this part. Yes, CH is space, so it will come here word plus space, so it will give a space. So now it will come I is now 4. I is 4. In the 4th place what is there? B. So now it is B. So B is not a vowel, not A, E, I, O, U, it is not a vowel. So here, so this part is true, it is not a vowel. So here it is going to change. So it is minus 1. So B minus 1 is A. Previous letter int ch. So ASCII value of whatever the ASCII value of B minus 1 it will do, capital B minus 1. So it is A. So it is now A. So now it will enter to this part. Check for this if. So A, E, I, O, U, yes, it is a vowel. A, it is a vowel. So what is it is doing? It is saying that CHR is equal to character integer CH plus 1. So we will not do. So this is cancelled and saying CH. My CH is B plus 1 means after it is C. So my in CHR the variable the value came C. Once more I am saying, see, when I is 4, 4 is B. So B it is taking here character at 4, that is B. So it is taking here, is it a vowel? So B is not a vowel. So it will not enter here. So it is not a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. So this part is true. So it came to this part. It is doing minus 1. When it has done minus 1, CHR value is A. So it is checking again. CHR, is CHR a vowel? Yes, it is a vowel. So if it is a vowel, then don't change CHR. Minus 1 you will not do. CH we will do plus. So plus it has become C. So it will come out. Now here word plus CHR. So here it will be CHR is my C. So here it will write, we will write C. Then will come out here, it is not a space. C it is not a space. Sorry, B it is not a space. So it will come to this part. Now I is 5. 5 is A. So A is a vowel. So what it will do? Direct it is A. So direct word plus CH. So my word is C. My word is C, with that A. It will be CH, A. So it is not going to enter. It is a vowel. So it is saying not equal to vowel. So it will not enter inside this loop. It will come and check whether it is a space. No, it is not a space. So it is going here. Now I is 6. So 6 it is L is there. So L is not a vowel. It will not enter here. It is not a vowel. So it will do minus 1. So minus 1 it is. It will be K. K then L. K it will be. So K is not a. It is not a vowel. So it will not enter here. Instead of that it will come to this part, word plus CH. So it will write K. Then I will change to 7. So I is now 7. So 7 is less than 8. Condition true. It will come here. Again the same thing. It will give you again L. 7 position L is there. So here it is not a vowel. So it will come to this part. It is not a vowel. So it will change to K. The previous letter it will change. So after changing also it is not a vowel. So it will not do plus. Instead of that here it will come. It will write K. It is not a space. So it will come here. Now I is 8. So 8 is not less than 8. Condition is false. So it will come out of this loop and it will display this word. Thank you, class.